Welcome back to Aside Hot on top of the Chairman Television Station, Wazobia Max UHF 57 and Wazobia TV on top channel 98 for Go TV. As we do every Monday, we go tear the nylon, come out on top of all of the action to when happen for weekend. And we don't carry 5 sizzling stories where they come up plenty smoke. Give you license to chook mouth inside. Make I break them down. The first one, now the Ekiti Gate. And we get to do with waiting Oga Temitope Aluko come out, come talk, say they share plenty money for the elections will happen inside Ekiti State for June 21st, 2014. We also carry the gist about Nigeria security matter and the badness when Boko Haram Jaguda people go to for inside Dalori, for near Maiduguri, for inside Borno State. We talk about the reason why our Oga Presido, the reason when he talk, say, he take hand over to the President Muhammadu Buhari, sake of say after the election, he don't look, say make Nigeria no enter inside crisis. We also talk about the war against corruption and the talk when Oga Presido talk, say, now the judiciary, now then they give them headache. And the final one, 4 of Nigeria banks enter the top 500 inside the whole world. We see they discuss this matter, they go, and with the collect calls to hear what you get to talk for inside this issue. Nkubi, there's no point over flogging this issue of Ekiti Gate. According to what Ogalere Olayinka talk with confidence, he may talk and say, we conduct elections. INEC talk say the elections go the way when they go. Even though some people talk say complicity day based on say the Nigerian army and some kind of handwork when they do, and they put some hand inside the whole arrangement. Now, they conduct elections, they challenge the thing, go Supreme Court. Supreme Court don't talk say he win the election and make it day like that. But this particular issue now don't open new things. This same Oga Temitope Aluko, he been testify for court also, and everybody knows say if person swear under oath, and he can't, and the eventuality when he can't come before us, na criminal offence. We go see what thing will happen afterwards to see whether our security people go do what they're supposed to ensure say this matter come to a particular end. We will collect this call from UK. UK they call us all the way from Bariga. UK, welcome to Aside Hot.
Oga Chukwudi, good morning.
Good morning, Oga UK.
Wetin I want to talk for that matter be say, as it don't happen like that, that man will come out now, come they talk, come they jam talk, say this man do like this man do like that. That time where the election they go on, where we say they don't discuss that thing. Now the time we're supposed to say Nigerians say this thing, Nigerians will see what thing they see, or see what thing will happen. So that Nigeria go know what thing they go do that particular time. No, we say medicine after death. This one is just like say medicine after death. If they say all the Nigeria don't die finish, who ain't gonna call they talk? This man do like this man
UK, shey notice say this fallout will actually don't lead to this information to say that expose this version. It's not a better thing for us because just as they talk, if you say data where this thing they happen, now you can't they talk. You know somehow because in a part of them, he also they joined for the plan. If now it happen, you understand? But because of this fallout, you understand? I make a con they come and con they talk this thing, all these things. What happen for Ekiti election and all that. So for us now, something we say. It did good somehow because right about now Nigerians don't know what happened. Now for our this thing, anti-corruption this thing to do it to pick them up from here. You understand?
Yeah.
Okay, now thank you very much, Oga. Okay.
No problem.
Okay, yeah.
Oga, okay, thank you very much for your important contribution. It go good make it be say at the end of the day we no get issues when we come they affect us. They stop progress for inside this our country. Callistus they call us all the way from Abuja. Callistus, welcome to Aside Hot.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Callistus.
Yeah, my name is Callistus.
Okay, wait.
Yeah, I'm calling from Abuja.
Okay.
Yeah.
I beg, Callistus. I beg. Bring down the volume of your television. I beg.
Yeah, put everything down.
Okay, right now they hear you. Continue.
I'm talking about the APC. I support what Bob just said now.
Okay.
Oga Callistus, I beg, reduce the volume of your television or come out here and make they hear you.
I support what Bob just said now.
Okay.
Understand me? See, let me tell you. What the other guy said, that is the one coming from Badagry.
Okay.
But that is what APC that are doing.
Oga Callistus, I beg, you go try call us back, make we hear what you get to discuss on top of this particular matter. But not be only Ekiti we carry come today, even though we know say this particular one they generate plenty talk. It go good make we also discuss issues when they affect Nigeria security. But before we discuss Nigeria security matter, we will collect this call from Oga Onimisi. They call us all the way from Abuja. Oga Onimisi, welcome to Aside Hot.
Good morning, Onimisi.
Hello, good morning, Oga.
Good morning.
Good morning, would they hear you?
What thing I want to talk for this matter is saying, you hear me?
We dey hear you loud and clear.
That man from Ekiti, why not raise the alarm at the hot for that election? So there must be reason.
Okay, only me see you there. You be like say network no gree you sef. Okay.
Very long. So make they investigate if truly now so they do that kind of thing for that kind of election. Make they nullify the man election, and the man make the blame now for no raising alarm on time. Maybe also say one political seat no configure am now. One call through Ijaguda Nigerian style for the raise of necessary alarm. So make they call the man to order and make security do the needful for the election matter for the state. And my own contribution be that one.
Okay, this your contribution make plenty sense, and we really appreciate them. I better tell you Abuja people say me that they watch and see the hot, so that then say will get the opportunity to chook mouth inside issues when they affect us inside the Obodo Nigeria to talk am the way the thing be. And before we allow the issue of Ekiti cover wetin we dey talk, we must need talk about Nigeria security. And I hope say Oga Tony, when they call us from Warri, go chook mouth for inside that direction. Oga Tony from Warri, welcome to our city hot.
God will bless you.
Thank you very much, Oga Tony.
Every day when I do this program, they switch my body.
Thank you.
You see what they go on there? What did they go on there? These politicians, they mugu us. You know they call mugu there?
We know.
Okay. Now, when this thing happened that time, that mumu I say talk so.
Oga Tony.
Yes?
We don't go name to the call names here. We don't go allow our beg.
You no go good make you call her mumu. You go talk your point, but you no go good make you call her mumu.
Okay, that man when he talk so.
Okay.
When he saw say they divide money, he inside this country that time. When this thing happen, and he like what you like talk, he take oath to go court, talk your own mind out that time, which means he lied to the nation and the judiciary when he talk that time. This is the best time the judiciary and the police may they go arrest the man immediately. I'm not a politician though. Now collective insult that they give this station because let me tell you now, Buhari is the last bus stop. Buhari is the last bus stop for democracy. Because if we not join hands, make sure say Buhari succeed. I'm not a politician, I will never be a politician. Because all of them are the same cargo they be. If they not join and make this nation succeed, Yawa no gas for them.
Oga Tony, that your laughter be like the one where actor they laugh before he fight the final fight.
Because people they suffer because of common politicians. When they suffer to eat, nothing to eat, but they say they divide money. Not only PDP, all the political
everybody
parties,
join, yes.
all of them, they drum.
Oga Tony, thank you very much for this your important contribution. And we like the message when you leave at the end. You talk say you no be politician, no, but you believe say this our president today will be our papa for our country. That be the final bus stop. All of us must join hands together, support them to move this our country forward. Thank you very much. From Warri, we go enter Akute. Collect this call from Efe. Efe, welcome to our city hot.
Good morning.
Good morning, Efe.
All this Boko Haram, wherever this thing really happen.
Okay.
And then you get us find a solution for this thing. So that you kill every time. Okay, we premier Mr. Goodluck Buhari may help us do the killing of
solution to the matter for good.
If they tell me as people they die every time. I beg. The only contribution I want to contribute.
If you do, thank you very much for that contribution. Because we as Nigerians and we as people, they also speak for the voice of Nigerians. We always they talk, say, look, yes, now collective will. Because even the Oga President, through his spokesperson, also talk, say, look, the fight against Boko Haram, no be responsibility way you go just do it and live for the military alone. Because now collective will. In talk and say, look, if na no say there are informations where somehow there are things when I suspect, information when I get on top of this, maybe I suspect one or two person, or now if he say somehow things don't they true go well for this particular with these particular people, and if he say then be this thing, make now do it, when I come out come talk. They will pick them up from there. We get Patience. Patience they call us from Makurdi. Good morning, Patience. Patience, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma.
Chukwudi, good morning.
I greet you, ma. Good morning.
Thank you. On the topic we want to discuss today, fine.
Thank you.
The data of bank, we know they benefit them in Nigeria, the thing they had for people. But as in they say their bank, we get about 4 banks with among the
Top 500.
Top 500 for the world, yes.
we happen so Zenith and other. So the thing I want to talk about these politicians. You know, when things are not moving well for them, you see them talking, like Tope Aluku. That man, EFCC must go and catch that man. Because I seen talk like that. Maybe I seen the secretary that and I threw him the money enter Ekiti State. So when they carry and go there, you go talk how they collect the money, how good Lord give them the money, how they share them. So I don't know why people like to bring problem.
Would they hear you, man?
Would they hear? Madam
It be like the network no agree to complete her discussion. But what did she they talk? Just be like waiting every other person don't already talk on top of the program. Say we must ensure say we see logical conclusion to this particular issue so that we don't go get matter when we say you can't be like say we talk we no can't hear anything at the end of the day. We go collect this call from Oga Okay. Oga Okay they call us all the way from Calabar. Oga Okay, happy new month and welcome to Aside Hot.
Good morning, Mr. Chukwudi.
Happy new month. Okay.
Good morning,
Mr. Nkubi. Happy new month.
Yeah, we should say.
You are missing in action. Welcome back.
Thank you very much.
All right. Mr. Chukma small. First of all, I want to talk about the Boko Haram. I condemn the attack.
Okay.
And my prayer every day now make it not happen again. Then make a Chukma again for Ekiti own. Our people say any small picking we see where they dance for road or where they dance for road, something where they drum for and they inside bush. I believe say no be him purposely come out because know how when go down congratulate, greet, accept defeat or something like that, then come out again. There is something behind it. There are people strongly behind him. Have you? So now what me I believe. Then again, make a move to our former president, Goodluck Jonathan. Leaders from up fall. Look left, look right, nobody clap for him. He clap for himself. So if people know, congratulate Goodluck, no thank him for making Nigeria to still remain in peace, not in P6. Me personally, okay, and I believe I had a clap, at a cut cap for him. Because I don't think we will ever get somebody like that who believes say no Nigerian head, not even a madman supposed to die because saying they fight for political ambition. So I thank him so much, and I pray that Goodluck will continue to guide us, and I pray that Goodluck will continue to bless and keep Nigeria and lift us because we need to help ourselves right now. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Your passion every time when you call to talk about this country, the thing they touch us for inside body. We get Oga Solomon, all the way from Chicago. Oga Solomon, you don't take well, so I go tell you long, welcome to Aside Hot.
I'm a day now.
With the greet Oga Solomon.
Come, may I tell you one thing? At the best well. The way so Nigerians they reason, they wonder because they never travel abroad. Maybe they know they see the reason where. Okay? Now, if this man can't blow this issue right now, there's nothing wrong with that. So say why not talk when he did that time? If he talk when he did that time, they go kill him like foul. They go kill the man like foul. So now when they say now new government, then when they say there's some sense of discipline and accountability because they expose the secret, there's nothing wrong with that.
Oga Solomon, quick question. Now, if somebody not talk something when the thing happen, come out talk am later. But make we look the reason why they talk am. He say they may agree say they will give am position, they no give am position. And again, Ayodele Fayose don abandon the Ekiti project. You think say na out of sincerity in they talk this thing? I mean, na because of say
no, that's not the out of sincerity. He himself, if na better country. In a better country, they go arrest him.
Exactly.
Then they will still investigate the governor. All of them, that's what we call conspiracy. Okay, then conspired, to commit a crime. So all of them they're supposed to face the law. That's not one. For the Boko Haram problem, you get one question when they see they ask. If you see those Boko Haram people, they don't be like people when in trouble like food. So how they say they get all these logistics, all these weapons? They must get sponsors. So now then Nigerian intelligence supposed to look who the people when they sponsor to buy bomb, not be 1,000 naira, not be 2,000 naira. To buy bomb, not be 10,000 naira. So how they say they get that kind of weapon when they blow every time? They're supposed to investigate their sponsor and bring them to justice. Then people they talk to Jonathan release power. If Jonathan committed a crime, they suppose arrest him. Fine, he hand over to Buhari. But what Nigeria don't understand is during the election, if you look at the margin when Buhari and Jonathan, when Buhari wins Jonathan, the margin is so long. If now like say now 45% over 50%, right? Jonathan you know go hand over power because it's too close. But when the gap is too large, you don't get choice than to hand over. Especially you want to war start. If Jonathan committed a crime, he had worry guy. If Jonathan committed a crime, he's supposed to face the.
Oga Solomon, thank you very much for this your important contribution as you take touch all these our stories. But quickly, we go rush, enter inside one small break. When we go this break, come back from where we go stand. Now the final bus stop on top of our city hall, we go dey look. And we will continue to dey look our discussion. Oga Solo, thank you very much. No go anywhere. We still dey come back. Now still as in the heart. Welcome back to As in the Heart. We dey call the Monday edition terrible. Sake of say all of the action to the way happen for Nigeria over the weekend, we go drop am the way the team be, allow you to chook mouth inside and talk am the way the team be you for body. We don discuss all of the 5 stories where we say they carry first inside Obodo, Nigeria. Number 1, the Ekiti Gate. Wetin Oga Temitope Aluko, former secretary of the PDP inside Ekiti State, and person wey me say if you check am for the campaign organization of the governor Ayodele Fayose, he na strong man inside because he dey in charge of communication and intelligence. He come and talk say they share money to use win that election. We also give una the gist about Nigeria security and wetin Boko Haram Jaguda people go do for inside Dalori, for inside Borno State, for Maiduguri. We discuss about the reason why, according to Oga Presido, former President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, he give say he hand over power to President Muhammadu Buhari. We also talk about the talk when Mr. Oga Presido talk say for the fight against corruption and the judiciary na be a major headache, and the one about 4 of Nigerian banks enter into the top 500 for inside Obodo the world. We still discuss all these issues and we dey collect your calls to hear wetin you get to talk for inside this matter. Who could be here? Wetin we go do be say because of the way when the talk don dey, e no go good make we just
enter into
leave every other talk, no talk some kind ones. With according to wetin Madam Patience don talk say the issue of that bank, say make it no just be about say our banks enter top 500. Make the kind things when our banks then they do, make it reflect for our economy and make it reflect for the lives of Nigerian people so that we go see progress and development. So we dey talk and say as our banks they try, they use they enter, they score first for inside Obodo Nigeria. It go good make we also they do well for inside this our country. We get somebody when they call us all the way from Ogudu. Jumoke, they call us from Ogudu. Jumoke, welcome to As in the Heart.
Good morning.
Good morning,
Jumoke.
Well done.
Thank you very much.
This country. See, make we know Nigeria make something. Nobody will talk saying do election. I didn't want to throw himself for inside balance. We never smell himself. So if you want to smell yourself as if they smell, throw yourself inside balance. If you win, that means you smell good. If you don't win, that means you don't smell good. And nobody will go through and say, we no get ambition. Make we know say Jonathan a good person. It's just because he was surrounded by people who they say no good. Now good man will get good art. And together everybody will see achievement. And back to security issue for Borno. And we greet all of the Muslims say happy Hijab Day. See, we go beg our people say all this money we then they recover small, we then channel and little where it's supposed to go. Even the channel them small. More so, even you Ukubi and my Ogachi Kudi, actually they wear suits. So if you see person you know they used to suit, you know go they comfortable as a wearer. So anybody where people see say wear hijab and you know they comfortable. Anybody where don't they wear hijab every day, you go they comfortable, it's no go they cash out. And person where see say person where wear hijab beside them, he know they comfortable. I don't know if you understand me. The person where they wear hijab, we know they comfortable, make them suspect them. Because everybody now we get this security issue. Maybe say we go do the South government all the time. I beg Nigerians and congratulations to all the banks we step up for the 500 list.
Top rank.
Congratulations to them. I beg Nigeria
you don't talk well. Thank you very, very much for all the issues where you do it, where you touch, because and you can't emphasize on some major ones. Of course, now what would they expect? Make we see follow up from there, so that at least we will not say we really head somewhere. We got Yusuf the callers from Lekki. Good morning, Yusuf.
Yeah, good morning, Ukubi.
Good morning.
Oga Sugudi, good morning.
Oga Yusuf, I greet you.
Yeah. Please, I want to talk about this Ekiti matter.
Okay.
Everybody know that Ekiti election, how it is. Before this man talk this thing, many things don't come out about the matter before.
Okay.
So why some people are still criticized? You understand? This man, we want our political people, if they fight, it's good for us. So, because of that man, they fight with fire. That's why we hear the matter. So the man is not a madman, or he's not talking nonsense how this Solomon from Chicago talk. The man is talking right thing. Because if they don't fight, we not go know what is happening. So now everybody know what is happening now. Understand me? So the man is talking right thing. And he's in the PDP. Not be say he changed to APC now. So you understand? So we are very happy that, about this Dasuki matter, if the opposition party no enter post, we go hear anything about the money. The money will just go like that. So even if the APC itself they come out, all the people who do bad things there, we go still hear about them.
They will cover their own too.
We'll still hear about them. So that's how it's supposed to be. The man is talking right thing now. Now waiting happen, and the man they talk. Nobody say they talk any lie against anybody. So I want our security people to investigate this matter. So we cannot just die like somebody will just come out, they stop our money, they do anyhow in our country.
Thank you very much. Yusuf, thank you very much for this your important contribution. Like you don't talk, this matter not supposed die. We suppose see him to logical conclusion. Make it be say our mind go there at rest, say the talk don't settle like that. We get somebody on top of our telephone line. Make
Charity.
we hear Charity, they call us all the way from
Asaba.
Charity, welcome to Aside Hot.
You get wetin I wan talk o.
Feel free.
Recently, I dey see all this Boko Haram people dem. Wey no be say all this Fulani people they go dey carry cutlass dey waka. Wetin dey carry cutlass dey waka when they not carry malu? No be say they pursue malu.
Where you dey see them for Asaba for Asaba?
Yes, na for Ifeanyi Jesus side, the side where I dey stay. Sometimes they go there in 2, they go there in 3, they go carry nylon for hand, they waka. No be say they pursue malu for daybreak.
Okay, Charity, what do you go fit do now? Say you go try your best to fit report to some elderly people when they inside the area. I dey very sure say una go get some kind maybe like union, maybe for like the neighborhood people when we say you fit report to say see what you don't see what you don't observe. Those ones maybe under the umbrella of the union go come invite security people make them know, because for person to just carry cutlass they walk up and down. Even if you be farmer, you get the only farmer they keep your own cutlass and you go know say where in they go na farm. All these kind of instruments not be something where we say you go just they expose them like that. So wetin we go advise you now say make you try your best to see say you give that information, and we say go do our best to ensure say.
Because whenever people see them, they go they run from them.
Thank you very much, Charity, for this information where you don't carry come. Wetin we go also do now say we go try put our ear for ground, try give information out to our security people when we say we know say all this kind of matter when concern them, they go do the right thing to ensure say we no get situation when we say you go see person, you go begin to fear them because the person carry cutlass. All these stories wey we don carry come today na stories wey we say carry first for Nigeria over the weekend. We go just drop some kind one line and make everybody know say the interest of Nigerians dey our heart. We no go talk about the banks because we don emphasize on top of this one. The issue of security and wetin happen for Dalori na something wey we say e go make people dey very very sad. The pictures and the videos wey we don see of village wey we say dem burn down no be something wey go make us happy. But we go cut cap give our soldier people because that Dalori na also home to about 20,000 internally displaced persons. We hear say some of these Boko Haram Jaguda people won't carry waka enter inside these internally displaced persons camps, but our soldier people then try their best to pursue them. We will continue to dey pray say may God dey protect them. We go dey give our government the support, everything when our soldier people need to use pursue this Boko Haram come out for our country, not be to defeat them technically but totally. God go give them for inside this our country. The issue of say he hand over power to President Muhammadu Buhari na something where we say we all appreciate, because if you check some things when they happen for some countries, not be just for Africa, for different parts of the world, some people because of their desperation to stay for office, they think they cause serious problems. So if you lose election, do the right thing, hand over power and move on. People they celebrate President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, former President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan today because of this decision when he take. Our politicians they're supposed to borrow leave from him and learn from him. Nkubi.
Yes, Chukwu don't give a sum up of what we talk about, and tomorrow we'll come again and we will carry another important matter we concern national interest come on our way. From me, Nkubi, I go say bye-bye. It's your turn to...
You for just kuku talk, as I give two, you for just kuku
No, I don't talk my own.
You for talk about the headache. Why they run from discussion?
Wait.
Our people went there for us until we see una tomorrow. Why they run from discussion?
I bet bye-bye till tomorrow.
You go there, they go drop talk, you know, go green talk. They go drop talk.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.